so dirty, it's hard to even decide where to start.
I just get all the fucking dust off at this stage. Whoop! Every little I'd say there's bad ground on this thing. The lights didn't come on when I opened that door.
But they come on when I open the side one.
Is that when they come on?
I think so.
I was gonna say maybe when I hit the horn. Sometimes when the key don't work.
You have to flip it.
No, when you flick the lights.
Oh. Now me, I just turn it the other way.
Yeah, yeah.
So I guess since we did the last video, we took all the plastics, all this console out, to get the doghouse off because we think we have some mechanical issues. Well, we know we have mechanical issues. It wouldn't start. So we looked under the hood and, what was it, 4 coils?
3 coils.
3 coils are just missing. They're just gone. So I guess somebody needed them and used them for another project. So we have those on the way. So we figured in the meantime we might as well get it all cleaned up and less likely to die of an asthma attack in here while we're working on it. There's so much dirt on this, it's turning into mud. Here's some of the pieces that you cleaned earlier.
Bunch of spots for switches and stuff.
Yep. Probably lights.
Yeah.
the initial wipe down, we're just using spray 9. We use spray 9 for pretty much everything around here. Cleans really good, disinfects everything. So highly recommend using spray 9 for any cleaning projects you have. The worst part is this doesn't exactly come all the way out. So I wish it did. I would have just taken it right outside, hosed it down, but gotta do what you gotta do. For right now, I'm not too worried. I'm not really doing a deep clean right yet. I just want to get the heavy surface dirt off. It was really dusty. I think there was a lot of like drywall dust and stuff in here. It was a contractor's van, so there's a lot of building dirt. And yeah, it was definitely bothering Rye's allergies and that. So figured just give it a quick wipe down. So when the coils come, hopefully in a couple of days, we'll be able to pop them in. I'll do a better clean, get all like the little crevices and everything, and then we'll kind of rebuild the console. That'll get that all pushed back in. I'm going to do another quick vacuum through the whole thing. Like I said, there was a lot of drywall dust, so we got the heavy amount of that out. But of course there's still quite a bit here, but it's coming along. I mean, we just kind of pick at it between jobs in the garage, between looking after the chickens and the garden and everything. So right now this project is kind of on the back burner, if you will, because I definitely want to get the van mechanically working, of course, before we start putting any money into building the camper part, because well, let's face it, if it's not running, there's no point in putting a bed and everything in here if we can't actually go anywhere with it. No wonder there's spray 9 everywhere. There's a hole in this bottle. call that good for now. Yeah, like I said, wasn't really doing a super deep clean or anything. Just wanted to get kind of the heavy surface, well, not even dust, it was like surface mud off the dog house here. Like I said the other day, we took everything apart, so we cleaned all the little pieces for it. So those are all nice and clean, all the dash pieces. So hopefully in the next couple of days we'll get the coils arriving so we can get those installed. We'll probably do a video for that too. And yeah, then once that's installed, once the coils are installed, we're at least eliminating one issue. Try to get this thing running. We'll get all the plastics back on. And before that, I'll probably do a really good scrub of it, just so that it's that much more done.